Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you the SMTP status for our Office 365 tenant. How we can check the status of SMTP for our Office 365, and some of the time we are getting failed email messages uh, for our SMTP account that we have set up on our printer or any application, right? But our emails are getting failed. So I will show you how we can check the status of SMTP for our Office 365 whole tenant and how we can enable SMTP for an individual account. So Microsoft recommend it to enable SMTP for an individual account. So now I'm already logged in into one of Office 365 tenant, but I will show you on the both tenant how we can check SMTP status. So let's connect Exchange online via PowerShell. Okay, I've opened PowerShell and here I have to enter the username and password of global administrator. So let me grab that. Okay, I have to enter here global admin password so that I can connect via PowerShell. Okay, looks like I'm connected now. If you want to know how we can install Exchange module or how we can set up PowerShell to connect via Exchange, you can go to my previous videos of PowerShell that shows how to connect to Exchange Online via PowerShell. So here let's check the status of SMTP for our whole tenant. This command will use to see the status of SMTP for my Office 365. So I just checked the SMTP client authentication disabled is false. So let's move and I will try to show you how we can enable SMTP for a single user. So I will show you how we can enable SMTP for a single user with from Microsoft 365 admin portal. So if we go here in the admin portal and then let's select any user, check SMTP is enabled for the user or no. So let me go to any license user here, licenses, and it's mail. In the mail option, we will find here email apps, right? In the email apps, make sure you have checked this option authenticated SMTP, right? Uncheck mean SMTP disabled, check mean SMTP is enabled. Thanks for watching. Bye.